Number 1. Anyone can get roundworms. Poverty-stricken individuals living in underdeveloped areas of the world are most susceptible to roundworms. School-aged children and people who are institutionalized are also susceptible. People can get roundworms from contact with feces or contaminated soil. Children and pregnant women are especially at risk. Number 2. You can also get roundworms from your pets and other animals. If your pet has roundworms, you may be exposed to the eggs or larvae in their feces. The eggs and larvae can survive in many different environments. An infected pet can quickly spread the disease over a large area. Most dogs get roundworms at some time in their lives. It can even be passed to puppies before they were born or in the mother's milk. As a result, puppies should be treated when very young, and both the mother and puppies need regular preventive treatment.
Number 3. Roundworms are not transmitted between people to other people. Affected dogs sometimes shed eggs in their faces. Then these eggs mature into the infective stage of the parasite in the environment and are then swallowed with dirt, then either eaten or purposed inadvertently. The infective larvae do not progress to adult worms in people, but the migrating larvae lives in intestines and find their way to other organs such as lungs, liver, or eyes. Number 4. They are unsegmented parasite with their mouth at one end and their anus at the other end of the body. They have a body wall that has different layers of muscle, but also invertebrates.
Number 5. Roundworms are found in different sizes. Also known as nematodes, roundworms are found in different sizes. They can be microscopic, invisible to the naked eye, and can also be as long as 20 feet. Placentonyma, gigantissima, which is a parasite that lives in whales, can grow up to 13 meters. Number 6. Roundworms are hermaphrodite. These worms, like other species, have female and male varieties, but they could also be hermaphroditic. These mean that they can have both male and female organs in their body, which means they can reproduce on their own if need be.
Number 7. Roundworms has been with us since 2700 BC. Roundworms are one of the most common type of intestinal parasites on the planet. In fact, there are more than 50,000 different types of these parasites present, with only 15,000 of them being officially named and identified. Once a person suffers from roundworm infestation, these parasites reside and feed in his or her intestines and potentially trigger numerous health issues. In order to keep your kids healthy and happy, we must counter these health issues and know as early as possible if we have roundworms in our body. Here are some symptoms that you should know. Shortness of breath, abdominal pain, cough, diarrhea, and muscle pain. Number 8. 50% of the roundworms lives in the ocean. You might know that there are more roundworms in the world than any other creature. They are small and they are all over the place. If you are having problems imagining that, remember that there is an entire bottom of ocean where insects and fish can't live. Just think about it. It's the roundworms.